Hello guys, I am Sunil and this is MS Classes. So guys, today is my topic from linear equation in two variable class 9 exercise 4.3 question number 8. Your question is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in country India it is measured in Celsius. So here you have given a linear equation, that is f is equal to 9 over 5c plus 32. So guys, your equation is f is equal to 9 over 5c plus 32, right? F is equal to 9 over 5c plus 32. This is linear equation in Celsius and Fahrenheit. You have find out the solution, and after that solution plot that point on the graph paper. Guys, also here you have given 5 different questions. You have to given the answer of these questions by the graph. So guys, this is exercise 4.3 question number 8. Now I will solve the question by putting the value of a c. What the value of c? The value of c is the multiple of a 5. First of all, this equation number 1, put c is equal to 0 in equation 1. We get f is equal to 9 over 5 into 0 plus 32. This is equal to 32 only. So your first coordinate c comma f, this is equal to 0 comma 32. So guys, this is your first solution from the linear equation. Now we put the value of c again. Put c is equal to 30 in equation 1. We get f is equal to 9 over 5 into 30 plus 32. So guys, when we divide 30 with 5, we have only 6 5 is 30, and this is equal to 9 6 ja 54. 54 plus 32, this is equal to 5 6 7 8 4 2 6. So your second coordinate, this is c comma f, this is equal to 30 comma 86. Right, now guys, you will put the value of c once again, that is 35. Put c is equal to 35 in equation 1. We get f is equal to 9 over 5 into 35 plus 32. This is equal to 35 over 5. This is 7 5s are 35. So 9 into 5 plus 32. So guys, 9 5s are this is 7 5s are 35. So 9 7s are 63, and this is 63 plus 32, and this is equal to 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 3 9. So your third coordinate c comma f, this is equal to 35 comma 95. Right. So guys, you have 3 solution. Number 1 0 comma 32, second 30 comma 86, and third 35 comma 95. So guys, we will make a table from these solution, the respective value of c and f. This is 0 comma 32 first coordinate, second coordinate is 30 comma 86, and third coordinate is 35 comma 95. Right guys, these are the solutions, and this is a table of solution of equation f is equal to 9 over 5c plus 32. Now we will plot these points on the Cartesian plane. First of all, make a Cartesian plane. You know the Cartesian plane is a mutually perpendicular lines on this line we have on axis the Celsius, then minus C, to the top we have Fahrenheit, and downward we have negative Fahrenheit. Okay, this represent origin represent by 0. So x axis is Celsius scale and y axis is Fahrenheit scale. Now we plot the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. So this is all positive, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. To left side all will negative. Top side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Topward all will positive, and downside 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All the points are at equal distance. So this is 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and 100. And toward left side all will be negative. Minus 10 minus 20 minus 30 minus 40 minus 50 minus 60 minus 70 minus 80 minus 90 minus 100. And toward top all will be positive. 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 then 100. And toward down all will be negative. Minus 10 minus 20 minus 30 minus 40 minus 50 minus 60 minus 70 minus 80 minus 90 minus 100. This is minus Fahrenheit, right? Now we will plot the points on the Cartesian plane. We see all points will be positive and we need only first quadrant. So your value of C, that is 0, and value of F, this is 32. So 32 is the two line outside the 30. So this point is a first coordinate. So this is 0 comma 30, and this represent by A, 0 comma 30. So this is A coordinate. Now your B coordinate is 30 and 86. 30 and 86. So you have centigrade, this is 30, and 86, this is Fahrenheit. Now you draw a perpendicular on 30 toward 86 toward Fahrenheit, positive value. And now 86 is 6 line above the 80, and both perpendicular meet at a point. This is the B, 30 and 86. This is second coordinate. Now your third coordinate is 35 comma 95. So 35 is in between 30 and 45, and 95 is in between 100 and 90. So this is the third point where two perpendicular meet. Okay, so this is point C. This is 35 comma 95. Now guys, you have to join these 3 points. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Join these 3 points very carefully. You see that we have a line which is straight line, represent the graph of Fahrenheit is equal to 9 over 5C plus 32. Now guys, we see our answer from the graph. So your first question is, draw the graph of a linear equation above the Celsius of x-axis. So x-axis is C and y-axis is F. Second question is when C is equal to 30. When your centigrade is equal to 30, then what the value of a Fahrenheit? So your answer is when C is equal to 30 degree, then Fahrenheit is equal to 86 degree. This is your second question. And third question is when F is equal to 95, Fahrenheit is equal to 95, then C is equal to 35. This is your third question. Right. When temperature is 0 degree, when C is equal to 0, then Fahrenheit F is equal to 32. This is your third question. This is equal to 32. This is your third question. And similarly, you will find the solution of the question. If any questions examiner asks like this, you have to find the solution from the graph. So guys, this is one of the most important question that examiner asks in the examination. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve this type of question at your home on the graph paper. You need to draw the to plot the graphs on the graph paper. I hope you will do this type of question at your home. So have a nice day. Thank you.